So here I have the Gloryang sticker printer. This thing's really cool. I was just gonna walk you through this. I was actually blown away at how easily the Bluetooth setup and everything else with the app works. So I'm gonna walk you through here step by step, just kind of show you how it works and all the ins and outs of it. So one thing that's really nice is when you get this, they do give you 2 rolls of the sticker paper. And so what we were wanting to do, my daughter's gotten into drawing and she really wants to start making some stickers and things like that. So we're like, well, let's try it on a small scale. Now this is black and white, but it is a lot of fun and she's really enjoyed it and it's really easy to use. So I'm gonna kind of show you here on the app how it works. When you get this, you just need to charge it up. It charges really quick and then download the app. All of the stuff is straightforward and in the directions that they give you. You just scan a QR code and basically the app's right there, download it and you're good to go. So there's so many different things. Let me just show you the app here. There's so many different things that you can do on here. You can have different templates. You can also do a DIY, so you can write in text or whatever you want. We like the image feature. That's kind of what we've been doing. So I'm just gonna show you how quick and easy this is. So once the Bluetooth is set up and it's all synced, which is pretty quick, basically what we've been using it for, if you hit the image button right here, my daughter just drew a couple different of these images. I'm gonna hit this little shark fish here. And what you can do once you're on this page, you can select how many copies you'd like. You can also do medium or light, and it just kind of changes the image a little bit there. And then when you're ready to go, you just hit the print button down here at the bottom. And you're gonna see that that image just comes right up. So pretty cool. And then obviously it's got a sticker backing. So, you know, if they wanna make fun little things for their friends or themselves, they can do that. And, you know, or if they have a binder, whatever they wanna do, it's just kind of fun, makes it a lot of fun so that they can do that. You can also make little labels, little address labels, things like that. So there's a lot you can do with this. And we've been really happy with it. They sent this to us to try it out, and I've definitely been blown away.